What is going on, you guys? Just had another day at school. It's Wednesday, that means it's my day off. And can you guess? It's raining. It's raining for the 4th week in a row on my only day off. But we are going to possibly Robinette's. It's like a apple orchard. Probably gonna get some donuts. Probably a bunch of fun stuff to do there if the rain goes down. And if it doesn't, then we are just gonna have to figure out something to do. So let's go.
One time for the city.
Oh my God.
One time for the city. My city. Bitch up from the ladder till I die. Till I die. Gang,
Alright guys, we don't know what to do because the rain is still on.
We can't go to Robinette.
So we are gonna go to Myers and just mess around with people.
Get my Sunday candy, Steve.
We have no idea what we're gonna do, but we're at Myers.
God, I'm just stupid already.
He feels stupid already, but I don't care what people think. What's your?
Kiss to the recordings. Yeah.
Dude, I can see you in the glasses, dude.
Hey,
Dude,
will.
sick.
I got you.
Guys, we are at Meijer. We are building the 24-hour toilet paper challenge. Fork. I'm getting it. Ow. So this is my my lovely house for the next 24 hours, if I make it.
We've got Robert over there. Hit the dang hard.
Building it. And we definitely didn't just see a Meijer worker holding a GoPro messing with toilet paper. So we've been here for about 20 minutes with no action. So I think we're gonna head out. This is pretty boring.
Hey, I did that. That was me.
No, that was me. Picking up our friend Elise. 1, 2, 3, 4 BMW E30s.
4 BMW.
Elise, why do you have so many BMWs?
I don't know.
Dude, it's so clean.
Which one do you use today?
So, we're on our way to Robinette's to go get some pumpkin donuts.
No, donuts.
The donut.
To go get some pumpkin donuts because I really want some. Okay, bye.
It is still raining, but these two think it's a good idea to go to Robinette's. So, Robinette's, here we come. Seems as though my friends are bipolar and we can't think of anything to do. So guess where we are again?
Stop, dude.
Meijer,
We are at Meijer for the second time in 20 minutes.
vlog me. I want a donut.
I want the
mayo.
pumpkin. Okay, please say
Look
me.
at all these pumpkins, dude. Oh. Hey, Elise, you got your donuts.
Yeah. My pumpkin donut. Should I get 2?
So many to choose from, though.
I'm getting the pumpkin one.
Well, she got some donuts, so she bought me the nuttiest of Dunkers. Look at that donut.
You should have just
They
said
keep making fun of me because I'm
Say she
vlogging,
bought
but
me the nut-
I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I was sticking my head out the window to get a cool Audi wagon on film, and my hat flew off. It's somewhere back there. Good thing I have 20 more. By the way, if you like the wagons and whips hat I've been wearing, I've got them for sale, $15. Just let me know and I'll ship it out to you. Just kidding, I probably won't ship it out to you, but let me know if you like them. Breaking news, my hat did fly off, but would you look where it is? It landed right in the truck bed. So that makes me very happy. Guys, how do you feel about that? Mom, I love you! I don't know if you guys have heard of the buckle challenge, but we're here. And I'm gonna just go for it.
Hi.
No!
That was a nice try though.
Thank you. Well, that didn't go as planned. Well, we left the mall. Didn't get anything there because they have outrageous prices, but we are at our local Goodwill. About to do some thrift shopping. We got done thrift shopping and at the mall. My boy Rob found a Tommy Hilfiger jacket. He got a steal. Now we are at our Wendy's, our local Wendy's, and we are about to get some food because we are super hungry.
guys just be fucking bro.
Well, we just eaten here. It's been a pretty good day. We had lots of fun. Almost lost my hat. Went to like Myers twice. And now we have to go pick up my sister from work. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with all your friends.
Do it. Do what he said. Yeah.
I have one more thing to show you guys. Shout out to Wendy's for giving us these dope bibs. Thanks to them, we can stay clean while eating.
Bib
because,
gang.
Yeah, bib gang, because we get pretty messy. So shout out to Wendy's. Have a great after, night, morning, noon, wherever you are. And thanks for watching.